Well, hello everyone. My name is Rumesa and I'm part of digital school. This is my 11-year-old friend, Enes. Together we have made a project, a mobile app. The main goal of our project is to aware the user how to protect the environment by using our mobile app. We have been working in this project only for 2 days, and we have made it with App Inventor. Next is going to tell Enes how he made the game.
Hello everyone. Just like Rumesa said, my name's Enes, and I'm part of digital school. I created an app where if you're in public and you're walking while you're looking at your phone, the screen of your phone will turn bright red and an alarm will turn on. But if you're not looking at your phone, nothing happens. Now I'm gonna demonstrate it. So now if I'm looking at my phone and I'm walking, an alarm turns on. But if I walk and I'm not looking at my phone, nothing happens. Thank you. Now, if you click the button "See More," it sends you to another screen, and if the screen has a few questions, and if you click one of the questions, it sends you to like if you click the first questions, it shows more about our project. Now, if you click the second question, it sends you to a screen, and in the screen there's 4 questions, and if you agree with the answer of the questions, you can tick it, and if you tick it, it says that you agree with the answer.
Okay, next we have 2 more screens. The next one is how to go green in our life. We tried to make a screen to convince the people by using our app how to change their everyday life, and we added some advices that they can use it in their everyday life. Next, we have put some pictures of greenest places on Earth and the most beautiful places on Earth. You can see some of them. And of course, our beautiful country, Kosovo. And next, we have made a step counter. The main goal of this step counter is to count our steps while we are walking. We have 3 buttons. The start button, when we press it and we start walking, the steps increase. Also the distance, and it tells us how many simple steps we have. And if we shake it, it increases the shake count. But if we press the second button, which is stop button, and we try to walk and stop, we can see that it doesn't change. So it stays as in the beginning. When we press the reset button, it resets it from the beginning, and you can see that now the steps are 0, the simple steps are 0 also, but the distance remains back. Thank you everyone for your attention.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you. This was great awareness campaign for all of us. Thank you very much. And these are your presents.
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much. So, saving the planet was never a thing during my childhood. and that's why we have a shitty place right now. But I guess the only way to change it is with kids, and it's so good that we are educating them now in this direction. The second group of Shkolla Digitale, by the way, Shkolla Digitale has 5 groups as far as I'm informed. The second group, please come to the stage.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Drin. This is Abian, and we created an application called the Fitness app. If you're a fitness lover or you just want to keep your body line perfect, you can definitely use our application. First, we created 4 weeks. Every week has 7 days, and every day has different exercises. Next, we created the Run Tracker tool that counts your steps, your simple steps, and your shakes. But we, after working out, we all want to relax, to chill, to play to any game, and that's why we created the nature game. But we wanted also to send a little message to everybody to protect the nature. And in the end, we also added the login and the sign-up screen when you can log and sign into our application.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm Abian, and this is our app. The fitness app has a plan of 4 weeks, and every week has everyday workout. Every day has different workouts, so you have day 1, day 2, every day of the week. See, they're all different from each other. We also have other features like the running app. Now, if you press start, it will start counting. See, it's counting. I can shake the phone, and it counts the shakes too. And when you reach 20 steps, it tells you about some healthy facts about walking and how you're helping out the nature because you're not using a car. And you all know that cars release gases, so you're helping out. When you stop, it doesn't count anymore. And when you reset, it says them all to 0. So we also have the feature of music for workout. We have, if you want to work out and listen to music, you can listen to music. We have 3 recommendations that we found on our website, and you can also search songs. Like YouTube is the default browser, but you can also type in Spotify or Apple Music or whatever music app you want to try out. Wait a little bit and then it opens it. As you can see, it opens Spotify. You can listen to any music while you're working out. And also you have the nature game. The nature game is just a game dedicated to nature and helping it out from trash. Now trash falls from up and you drag the trash bin and collect the trash from top. So right now I'm collecting the trash and you have a time of 15 seconds. And you have to do 200 points for 50 seconds. Every 50 points the speed increases. And if you don't do 200 points, you actually lose the game. If you do more than 200 or 200, you win the game. Each trash is 10 points. And yeah, that's how you play the game. And we also have a sign up and login screen. You basically just type in a username, a password. You sign up. It saves your data in a tiny web database. You go in the login page and you type in the same username, same password. You log in, you can change it later, and this is the app. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. I think this is perfect, and we should all have this kind of app when you go to nature. As you can notice, this year's theme is green, so everybody is green. The applications, the projects that kids from these 4 schools are doing or did during these 2 days are all green. Thank you very much, guys. Congratulations.
Nuk e di ju, veç unë jam I fascinu me cilësi gjuhës angleze që po e flasin, edhe sidomos me theks edhe me numër të fjalëve që po di me I përdor. I kisha lutë edhe prind edhe fëmijët që janë këtu me mësu edhe shqip, se po kena këza problem. Mirë shkruhet me edhe shumë shkruhet me në fund. Grupi 3 i shkollës digjitale.
Sorry about that. Hello everyone. Me and Gentrit built a UI design for the application about environment protection. The main reasons that we did this UI design is that to inform the people about that we are destroying the environment around us each day and more. So we are trying to change that and to save it more. So when we click first in the application, we go to the Save the Planet, where the first button is Join Now. And when we press that, we go to the login page. If we don't have an account, we can press the Sign Up button. Then we get to the Sign Up page. And after that...
Hello everyone, I am Gentrit. In this page, I set the map of Kosovo and meditation, and I set the location when we plant trees, our community plant trees in Kosovo, in Pristina, Ferizaj, Prizren and Peja, and we set those information. So 2015 visit 25,000 visit us, and 100 plus species and species, and 15 plus countries involved in our community, and we have 15 plus active projects. And we meditate those main 3 cities in Kosovo, our community planted trees in these countries, and we meditation Pristina, Ferizaj, and Prizren, and we have done the donation page, where we have project name, we have the donation, we have the target, budget, and backers. and we set the galleries where are the projects where we want to donate. And this is a transform of new ideas or the project where we want to donate. So this was the UI design app for environment protection. Thank you so much.
This was also great. It seems that you have a lot of things to do in the future and very big plans. Just continue. Success. Enes.
Grupi 4 shkolla digjitale. A mund më ardh? S'e përzi ka pak. Edhe veç prezantonu se.
Hello, I'm Don. And hello, I'm Engjell Berisha, and I've coded the backend part of this theme.
Hi everyone, I'm Ona, and I'm going to be presenting a theme we have developed for WordPress, which could be used as an e-commerce site. So in this case, we have used it as a solar installer business because it needed to be something to do with a green movement or a green theme. So when you click on our page, the first thing you see is a big slider, which basically gives you an idea of what our website is about. And while we scroll, we can see a section called monthly offers, which changes depending on the site, their offers, and their products. Then we can see a section which tells the user what are some other things we can help with, such as mounting or cleaning. And if they want more information about that, they can contact us. Then we have the latest products, which change depending on the new products we put on our website. So if we put up a new product, then an older one will get replaced by it in this section. Then if you click on one of the products, you go to a page where you can check out more information or just a deeper description about that specific product. And then you have the option to order that product, which is not available in our case because this is not a function in website. It's just an example that we have used for our theme. Then if you scroll down, you can see the products related to what you are interested in. And if you click on them, they function the same way as the other products. Then you can also check out our other pages, like About Us, which basically tells you a little more about us as a company. And the information page works the same way. It just gives you information about the green movement and what we can do to save our Earth. The user also has the option to search, which functions by the use of keywords. So for example, you search for solar panels, we can see options that are related to your search, and if you click on one of the options, they function the same way as the other products. And if you are planning to use our theme in your site, you can edit everything on it on WordPress, so you don't have to do any of the back-end work. Thank you.
This was great. And of course, this e-commerce site is green. And here's the gift from the biggest e-commerce site in platform in Kosovo, the unicorn Giraffe. This is for you.
Just so you know, to build something like this, my company, we charge about 10,000 euros, so they are doing a good job. What else? The last group of Shkolla Digjitale, right? The fifth group? Come.
Hi everyone, my name is Vesa Susuri.
Hello everyone, my name is Ardian Krasniqi.
Hello everyone, my name is Lirik Rexhepi. So we are all students at Digital School, and for today we created a green movement platform that we think that will help a lot with the environment. So right now, in a few seconds, we will have our page right here. So as we all know, the environment right now is not the best, and we have a simple animation here showing us all the problems that we have in our environment. So global warming, air pollution, and all these things like this. So we created this simple intro to show us all the problems that we have. And then we are in the homepage of our platform. So this is the homepage. It's a page that has a lot of information which will teach our users on how to behave better for the environment and for the nature. So right here we have some text that shows a bit about our environment. We have a few green themed games, so we can try one game right now. It's a super simple game. It's kind of like a maze game. The point of this is basically your cursor is the trash, and you should move the cursor to the trash can so that you can put the trash in the trash can where it should be. It's something pretty simple. Everything that we made in this project was made so that for everything that you complete, we plant a tree. So for every game that you play, we will plant a tree. So right now we will go again in the home page, and we will show you another thing that we have. So it's a quiz. So this quiz was made to pretty much learn our users about our environment and what we should and what we shouldn't do to help it. So you can see we have 10 questions in here, and you have a few answers that you can choose from. And if you select the right answer, you will have the tick symbol show up. And then at the end of the entire quiz, you will have a simple pop-up that will show us how many of our questions were correct and how many were not correct. So you can see right here, out of 10 questions, we had 4 correct. So now we will move to another part of the project, which is the blog. So the blog is pretty much some pages filled with information about our environment, what is destroying it, what we should do to help renovate it, and stuff like this. So this is one of the blog pages. We will not take too much time on here. We will show other features. So this is the shop. We created a shop where you can buy green-themed merchandise. So as you can see, we have hoodies, we have some t-shirts, some stickers, and every purchase that is made in here will be donated to a great cause. So pretty much we're going to be planting trees with each purchase that is made right here. It's fully functional. You can click on pay, you can add it to your cart, you can fill the information, and the order will get shipped. So now we will move to another part of the project, and one of the biggest things right here. So we created a school management system that has a few features that are really, really good and will help our nature a lot. So you can register as a school, as a student, as a teacher. It's fully functional. You can grade your students, and we will show you right now. So this is the teacher login page. You can see this is the dashboard. It's a quick overview of the entire project. And then you can click on class. And when you click on class, you have the classes that you created. You can create a class on the top right corner right there. On the create class, you enter your name. There's a code generated. You give that code to your students, and they can log in into your class. When you click on one of the classes, you see you have a list of the students that joined your class. You can grade them in their subject. You can set their missing true or missing false. And you can remove them from your class and stuff like this. Another thing that you can do is you can assign homework. So all you do is you enter your homework title, your homework information. You can put an image related to the homework, and then you click which class you want to send the homework to. Click the send homework button, and the homework is sent. And you can review the homework that your students completed. So these are some homeworks that we did complete. This left view is the homework that the teacher sent. The right view is the student answer and the image they imported. And then the teacher can check if the answer was correct or incorrect. And then based on what the students decides to submit, so if it's the answer of this homework is correct, the student will get a up mark in the class section where the homework is. So right now we will show you what the student view looks like. So this is the student dashboard page. It's a quick page, again, just a quick overview of the entire project. You can click on class right here, and you have your grades. So you can see your mathematics grade, your English grade, biology, how many times you missed and skipped school, and then your completed homework and the incorrect homework, which I showed you a few moments ago. And also we have a little Google chart that visualizes the grades that we got. So then we can click on homework, and this is where the homework our teacher gave us. So there will be boxes like this, and then when you click on them, you have the title, the description of the homework, and the image, and then you can choose your answer right there, submit homework, and it will work. Everything is fully functional, but since the time is limited, we can't go in detail for each and every single thing, so we're just making a quick run through. This is a great feature of the program. So this is a studying timer, and the goal of this thing was basically to help stimulate students to learn more, but also do good for the environment. So for each studying session that you complete, we are going to be planting one tree in places that are needed. So for example, the studying timer is around 25 minutes, but we set it to 10 seconds to show you guys how it works. And as you saw, we had 6 trees planted. When you finish a studying session, we will plant another tree. And then you can have a short and a long break for to relax a bit and then start another session. Another thing that we have right here is online books. So as we know, for books to be created, there is a lot of tree waste, and that is why we created some online books. So pretty much right here, you can click on the books page, and then you will have a view of the books. And then when you click on each book that you want, so for example, we had ecology, mathematics, and English. Based on the button that you click, you will be sent to the book, and you will have the view of the book. So this is the ecology book. It shows us the essentials of ecology, what we should do to help our nature, what we should and we shouldn't do to keep our nature sustainable, and stuff like this. So yeah, this was the project that we worked on. We completed it in 2 days, me and my group. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
Kur po ndëgjoj këta fëmijë po kompleksohen me anglishtën time, sigurisht është larg prej asaj çka flasin këta, edhe kur po shoh këtë platformë, kjo është çaq multifunksionale sa thjesht kish mujt mu po 3 platforma të ndryshme, prej asaj që e keni nisë që me vedisu për ambient, pastaj për atë pjesën e crowdsourcing, crowdfunding për me mbjell, dronj, dhe pjesa plus e lidhun me edukim. Perfekte. Faleminderit shumë, do t'jap tash dhuratat.